Do you hear those birds? I'm in the park. So grateful. I'm just grateful. I am just grateful. I am just grateful. You know why I'm grateful? Because all of the stuff that I'm talking about on this channel, all my little rants and freestyles and talks and ramblings about embodiment have led me to a place where I just feel different in myself. Like, I feel different. I feel like I have access to a kind of warmth, ease, and not because the conditions of life have changed or gotten easier, but because I've changed. And what a gift. It's not all the time. I still brace, I still grip, I still clench at times because I'm alive and things are happening. But my practice of letting go when I notice myself clenching, bracing, squeezing, my practice of dropping my shoulders, my practice of relaxing my jaw, my practice of softening the muscles in my face, my practice of letting go for a few seconds at a time in those moments have created this kind of cumulative effect of having a deeper capacity to relax into a moment in general. The times when I can't relax, it's okay. I can't relax in those moments. But the practice of relaxing seems to mean that the times when I can relax are even more relaxed and even more wonderful and delicious. So as I sit here in the park, just feeling the breeze on my skin, I can't even describe how wonderful it feels to just feel that. Something so humble and simple is also so profound, especially on a kind of sensory, sensational level. It's just so beautiful. It feels so wonderful. And I can land in this moment and appreciate it and feel it. And I can also feel from the inside out a kind of ease in this moment that I really appreciate. So I wonder if you in this moment can relax your body a little. Maybe not. But maybe you can. Maybe you can just drop your shoulders. That's enough. Maybe you can soften your jaw. That's enough. Maybe you can breathe or just sigh. That's enough. And then get back to whatever the things are. And maybe you can just return to this video when you feel like doing that, when you feel like relaxing your body. There's something very surreal, and as my teacher Luis Mojica once said, psychedelic about being in your body. Because being in your body pulls you back into right now. And the present moment is weird because it's happening. It's not a static arrival where you just now, it's not now, it's now, you know? So it's weird. So when I drop my shoulders and I become present, I'm in this really interesting experience of continuousness, being, awareness. I'm feeling things, I'm hearing things. It's all happening, it's all changing. And then there's a kind of communication between the physical sensations in the body and the stories in the mind. And then I drop back into the body and just focus on the sensations again. And I feel the ease creeping in just for a little while. Oh, that breeze. It's so nice. I woke up the other morning at like 4:30 in the morning and it was still dark. And by the time 5 o'clock rolled around, I realized I feel really good today. And almost immediately I thought, how did I do it? How can I hold on to this? How can I make this happen every morning, you know? And eventually I figured out, just feel it. Just feel it. Just feel it right now. If it dissipates, if it morphs into something different, that's okay. Might not feel okay, but that's okay. Just be in it now. Just be in it now. Just be in it now. And don't worry about the stories. Don't worry about the narratives and the judgments and making sense of it and reverse engineering it and writing a blog post about it and an article about it and making another video about it 3 days from now. No, just be in it now. Just be in it now. Oh, wow. What a beautiful breeze out here in the park today. It's like every time I relax into this knowing, the breeze says, yes, that's it. You're absolutely right. The breeze just wraps around me every time. Oh, it feels so wonderful. It feels so good out here. And I'm just appreciating this moment. I think that's it. I'm going to turn this off and just bask in the breeze. Thank you for being with me yet again. And check the notes under this video as always. And I hope that you have a moment or 2 or 20 today or this evening where you can just bask in whatever you can relish in, or whatever you can relish in a right now place, whatever that is, whether it's a sound or something you're observing or something you're feeling in your body or just a feeling of being relaxed. I hope that you enjoy that today. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.